And if you see what I see, folks, this is black cows, a whole pallet of them. This is just the beginning. This is just the beginning. The price, also the price went up. I just noticed that. 528. 528. Well, the romance we had is gone. 528. I'm gonna see if I can absorb the cost, but if not, yeah, because I think it was like four something last year. Four. You can see that. Yeah, it was $4.98. Got soil conditioner there. That's basically leaves, folks. And then it got some. What is this? Compost and manure. This is interesting. That went up because that was I think it was $1 and something last year. So I want to do my watermelons in these here. Black cow is just out of my price range. I want to spend. You know, it's just out of my range. Topsoil. Oh, okay. This is the topsoil. I remember this. When I first started gardening, I used this to start my trees, which I had no idea what I was doing. Years ago, I just put this in there and it stunk like all out hell. It's peat moss, and soil, organic matter, sphagnum. And this stuff is expensive, folks. I mean, for me, I'm sorry, y'all might be able to afford it. I don't want to pay this stuff for this kind of stuff because I think gardening is simple and natural, and you should be. Look at this. There's one bag right there. That's one of these bags. You might get a break on it because this one's busted, and they're gonna knock off some of that. But there's only one bag that is busted, and there's gonna be no negotiating when this gets going. There's another bag. See, people tear them open to feel what's in it, to feel what's there. And this is a potting soil mix, folks. Now watch this. This is a potting soil mix with perlite in there. You can see the perlite in there. And that's going for $9 or something. That's only one bag, folks. Because when I go get mine, I get, and what is this potting mix? Same thing. $12, you might as well say. And they pay about, what is it, $1.79? I think that's what it is. Look at this. I can't, oh, this is just for the rich gardeners here. This is for the rich gardeners. For those who says, well, yeah, like Mr. Howell and Lovey, dear. This is for them. They can afford this stuff. Gilligan, my dear boy. Yeah, this is for the wealthy gardeners. They can just order this stuff in a company and pay for it, or they can pay for it. This is what I do, folks. Let me show you what I do. All my potting mix. Watch this. I go get one of these. Let's see. These went up. Have these went up? Wait a minute. That better not be marked down to $4 because you know I'll be going to the car with about three of these. 1 cubic. Okay, I don't see it. I can't see it from here. All right, but this is what I would do. I'll get one of these, right? Boom, boom, boom. Go get me a big bag of perlite. Mix the two together on a 1-to-2 ratio. 2 parts this, 1 part perlite. And I got just as good of stuff as they got there. And if I want to throw a bag of, what they call it, throw a bag of the garden soil in there or some manure or something, you know. Okay, so that's where we are. All right, folks, this is the Morning Gardener. Thank you all.